representation about binary, decimal, and hexa and octa. So, binary is a number of system that uses only 2 digits, thus 0 and 1. It's the language of computers where information is represented using these 2 digits. While decimal is a number of system that uses 10 digits from 0 to 9, that the system we use in everyday life for counting, calculation, and measurements. And the hexadecimal is the system that uses 16 digits to 0 to 9 and A to F. And while the octal is a number of system that uses only 8 digits. 8? Oh, sakto ba? So first is the binary to decimal, base 10 to base 2 to base 10. So first we do is we separate this 3 digit like this 0, 1, and then we times it into 2 sa base 2. 2, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2. And then 2 times 1 is 1, then 0, 2 times 2 times 2 is 4, then we multiply it in 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, so the answer is 5. And then we do the same at the other problem. Still process, same operator. So 1, 0, 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 6. So 6 is 11. Multiply, so the answer is 11. And then binary to hexa. So binary to hexa is we make this 2 into 4 digit bits, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 4. So we make this and this. In the binary, this number represent D and hexadie. And while the other number, no, F, dahil siya. No. 10. So D, 9. So the answer is D, 9. Same operator. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, and 1, 1, 0, 1. Same process. So this one is D, and the other one is F. So the answer is FD. Then next is the binary to octal. Sa octal sa hexa is 4 digits siya, then sa octal is 3 digits. So we separate this number into 3 digits. So 10 is 2, and the other one is 101 is 5. So the answer is 52. Same formula. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3. In this case, kulangan man siya duha, so mag-add tag duha ka 0. So mabuo siya 3. So ang 101 is 5, and then the 110 is 6, 110 is 6, and then the 100% is 4, and the other one is 1. Right? 1. So the answer is 1, 4, 6, 5. Let's proceed to hexadecimal to binary. So we separate this 3 digit to lower at the bottom, 3, E, and 8. So the 3 is represented is, let's start in the 8, right to left. So the 8 is 1000, while the E in hexa is 1110, and the 3 is 11. In this case, kulangan siya number, so mag-add tag 20 to make it hexa. When it comes to octal, 3 digits lang. So kung sa octal siya, isa ray i-add. So 3 is sakto na number niya, 4x4. So muna siya ang binary sa 3E8. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1000. Same process to the other side. So repeat 8, A, 7. So the 7 is represented by 1, 1. Kulang isa, then add the A is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then the 8 is 1000. So this is the answer. 1, 0, 0, 10, 10, 0, 1, 1, 1. Let's proceed to decimal to octal. This is the hard one. So A is equivalent sa hexa, ang A is equivalent to 10. So siya times 16. Then 3 times 16, 16. And the C is represented by 12, right? 12. C is represented by 12, and the hexa times 16, 0, 1, 2. So 16 times 10 and to the power of 2 is 25660, right? And then this one is 36 times 1 is 48. So next is i-adapt na to siya. So mahimo siyang 2, 7. 2, 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Same process of pikas. Let's proceed into decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. So decimal to binary, dire mag times tag 2. 2, 10, 2. So 12 times 2 is equal to 6.0. Then and 6 divided by 2.
Bombong mali, pre.
5 times 8 and 6 times 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 819 to 1536, and then 256, then 40, and then the last one is 6. So add up, may mo na siya 130, 10,030. So the answer is 10,030. So that's my video representation, sir. Thank you.
Hello, hello.
10 equals to 3.0. Then ang 3 divided by 2, may mo siya 1.5. And then ang 1 divided by 2, may mo siya 0.5. And then kuha na to ang iyang binary. So 1, 1, 0, 0. So ang answer is 1, 1, 0, 0. And the next problem is 25. So same process. Divide by 2. 12.5. 12.5. 12 divided by 2 is 6.0. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3.0. And then 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. 1.5. And then 1.5 divided by 2 equals to 0.5. So kung ano yung binary. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Hindi ka diri sa ubos, pasaka itong reading. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Next is the decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. 255 divided by 16 is 15.9375. And then 15 divided by 16 is 0.9375. So kung ano to remainder, cancel out ang whole number. So 0.9375 times 16 is 14. Same process sa taas. 0.9375 times by 16 is 15. So the remainder is F, E. Ganun na E o F siya. And sa hexadecimal, nag-represent ang 15 into E ay F. And then the 14 is represented by E. So the answer is EF. And then the other one, other problem 1, 2, 3 divided by 16 is 7. 0.6875. And then 7 divided by 16 is 0.4375. Then same process, cancel out. Kuha na tong whole number. So 0.4375 7, 5 times by 16 is 7. And then 0.6875 times 16 is 11. Put this 11. And then sa hexadecimal ang 11 is B. So this should be, the answer is 7V. And then let's proceed to decimal to octa. Octa. This problem is i-times na to siya by 8. I-divide 394 divide by 8 equals to 49.25. Then the whole number 49 8. So the result is 6125. 6 divided by 8 is 0.75. Then remainder. Ano to remainder? Cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. So 0.75 times by 8 is 6. Ay 0. Now ay whole number dito ko ano eh. Ang whole number nila, so 6, cancel out naman ako. 49. Then dito nato ko ng remainder, so 49. 49 ng 6. So there is 6, 1, 2. So the answer is here is 6, 6, 12. Same process. 5, 15, 156. Divide by 8. 19.5. And then 19, down number. Divide by 8. Is 2.375, and then 2 divided by 8 equals to 0.25. So kung ano itong whole number, 0 to 19. Kung anong remainder, times by 8, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 234. Then the octal to binary. So we have the problem 37. So simple na siya. Ang 3 is ang 3 is 11. Ano to? 3 is 11. And then 7 is 1, 1. So kailangan siya isa. Add. So the answer is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Same process of PCAS. 6, 4, 2. Ang 6 is 110. The 4 is 100. Then the 2 is 10. Add 0. So the answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then let's proceed to last. The octal to decimal. So times by 8. Bungkagang siya 7. Uy, may agi 7 times 8. 6 times 8. 5 times 8. And 4 times 8. Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then i-times na rin mo siya. 356. 4. 384. And then 40. Then 4. I-add lang mo siya. So the result is 412. So the answer is 412. 4012
Kurot ang kuan.
Then the last one is 2 triples in process. 2 times 8, 3 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times 8, and 6 times 8. 0, 1.